Hello guys, this is Ryan and welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to share to you the different orchid mounting ideas that I made for my orchids. So let's start with this one. I had built this one from a branches that looks like letter V and attach another branches on the end of it so that it will looks like letter A. And I secure them using a small rope. It has a natural hook on the top so I can put them anywhere I want. I decided to make the main frame a little bit longer in order for me to put more orchids in the future. And here's the second one. The design is very simple and easy to make. With a minimal effort, you can also do this by your own. Here is the third one. I just follow the basic design of making orchid basket and secure them using a rope instead of wire. Here's the fourth one. As of now, I had only attached a single keiki since I had run out of keiki, but the plan was to put more orchids in the future. It has a natural hook on the back as well, so I can put them in any place I want. Here's one of my favorite. This is my Dendrobium anusmum with a long cane that has a lot of keiki growing onto it. My plan was to permanently attach the keiki onto the wood and let them grow up to flowering size. So let's just wait and see what would they looks like in the future. And my final design for mounting orchids was this one that can accommodate up to 12 pieces of keiki, but as of now I had only attached 7 pieces since I had already run out of keiki to put onto it. But in the future I will put the remaining 5 pieces just to complete it. And that's all for now, guys. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, and thanks for watching.